Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Finance Titans channel, your ultimate destination for all things crypto. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest crypto news and insights. Today, we're diving deep into Bitcoin, the world's first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Join us as we unravel the story, explore its technology, use cases, ecosystem, energy impact, financial implications, challenges, and discuss the future prospects of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, introduced by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, has revolutionized the world of finance and digital transactions. Let's delve into the origins of Bitcoin and its unique characteristics. The true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains a mystery, but the Bitcoin white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlined the vision and technical details of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin introduced the concept of decentralization using a peer-to-peer network and a blockchain to facilitate transactions. The blockchain is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions, ensuring transparency and immutability. Bitcoin's scarcity is one of its defining features. With a maximum supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin is designed to be a deflationary asset, which means its value has the potential to increase over time as demand outpaces supply. At its core, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network and utilizes blockchain technology. Let's explore the technology behind Bitcoin and its key features. Bitcoin's blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions in a chronological order. This decentralized and transparent ledger ensures the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin's consensus mechanism, known as POW, involves miners competing to solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and add blocks to the blockchain. This process ensures the security and immutability of the network. Bitcoin relies on public key cryptography to secure transactions and control ownership of Bitcoin addresses. Public keys are used to receive funds, while private keys are kept secret and used to sign transactions. Bitcoin uses cryptographic hash functions to secure transactions and link them together in the blockchain. Each block contains a unique hash that includes the transactions and the hash of the previous block, forming an immutable chain. The Bitcoin ecosystem is a vibrant and growing community of users, developers, miners, and businesses. Let's explore the different components and opportunities within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin users can send and receive funds globally, providing an alternative to traditional financial systems. Individuals can use Bitcoin as a store of value, make online purchases, or engage in peer-to-peer transactions. Developers contribute to the Bitcoin ecosystem by building wallets, applications, and infrastructure to enhance the usability and functionality of Bitcoin. They play a crucial role in improving the user experience and expanding the ecosystem. Miners validate transactions, secure the network, and are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins. Mining is an essential component of the Bitcoin ecosystem, ensuring the integrity of the blockchain. Exchanges provide platforms for buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin, while wallets allow users to securely store and manage their Bitcoin holdings. These services facilitate the liquidity and accessibility of Bitcoin. Bitcoin offers a wide range of use cases and opportunities as a decentralized digital currency. Let's explore some of the primary applications and benefits of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has emerged as a digital store of value, similar to gold, with the potential to hedge against inflation and diversify investment portfolios. Its limited supply and scarcity contribute to its value proposition. Bitcoin allows for fast and low-cost cross-border transactions without the need for intermediaries, making it an attractive option for remittances and international trade. It enables individuals to bypass traditional banking systems and facilitate direct peer-to-peer transactions. Bitcoin provides financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations who may not have access to traditional banking infrastructure. It offers individuals the ability to control their funds and participate in the global economy. Bitcoin's divisibility allows for micropayments, enabling the transfer of small amounts of value online. This opens up new possibilities for content creators, service providers, and businesses that want to monetize digital goods and services at a granular level. Bitcoin's energy consumption has been a topic of discussion and debate. Let's explore the energy impact of Bitcoin mining and its environmental considerations. Bitcoin mining requires significant computational power, which consumes electricity. The energy consumption of the Bitcoin network depends on factors such as the number of miners, mining hardware efficiency, and electricity sources. Many Bitcoin mining operations are transitioning to renewable energy sources to mitigate environmental concern. The adoption of renewable energy can contribute to a more sustainable Bitcoin network. While Bitcoin's energy consumption is often scrutinized, it's essential to compare it to the energy usage of traditional financial systems such as banks, data centers, and the gold industry. This context helps to provide a more comprehensive perspective on the energy impact of Bitcoin. Let's discuss the financial implications of Bitcoin and its impact on the broader financial landscape. Bitcoin's price is known for its volatility, experiencing significant fluctuations over time. Factors such as market demand, investor sentiment, regulatory developments, and macroeconomic factors can influence its value. Bitcoin has gained popularity as an investment asset class, attracting institutional and retail investors seeking potential returns and diversification. The emergence of regulated Bitcoin investment products and services has made it more accessible to a broader range of investors. Bitcoin has paved the way for financial innovation such as decentralized finance applications, smart contracts, and tokenization. These developments have the potential to reshape traditional financial systems and provide new avenues for value creation and financial inclusion. While Bitcoin has gained mainstream recognition, there are challenges and considerations to keep in mind. Let's explore some of the challenges and factors to consider when engaging with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's scalability has been a topic of discussion, with limitations on transaction throughput and confirmation times. Various solutions, such as the Lightning Network, aim to address scalability challenges and enable faster and more cost-effective transactions. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving. Compliance with regulatory requirements and staying updated on legal developments are important considerations for individuals and businesses engaging with Bitcoin. Bitcoin users must understand the importance of securely managing their private keys and following best practices to protect their funds. Education about scams, phishing attempts, and the responsible use of Bitcoin is essential for a safe and secure experience. The future of Bitcoin holds great potential. Let's discuss what lies ahead for Bitcoin and its potential impact on finance technology and the global economy. Bitcoin's growing acceptance by institutions, increasing adoption, and advancements in technology signal a promising future. Continued innovation, scalability solutions, regulatory clarity, and mainstream integration are expected to shape the future of Bitcoin. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Bitcoin. We've explored its origins, technology, use cases, ecosystem, energy impact, financial implications, challenges, and discussed the future prospects of this revolutionary cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of crypto with us.